We're back on the road and we're going to head east. And with that, welcome back to the Freemilesmc. So let's go. So I'm now making my way out of my hometown, and what is the goal for this trip in total? Well, that's a bit hard to define actually, because we're just going east. We're literally just going east. Of course, we can already guess where we're going. The countries in the Balkans, I definitely want to visit the Czech Republic, but in general my goal is to just go east for as long as possible until my wallet gives up basically. And yeah. And I basically also want to take a bit more time for each of the countries and really want to visit them like in detail. And with what we have coming in the Baltic countries, I'm already very excited. We will see parts of the Trans-Europe Trail. We will see gorgeous coastlines, very beautiful mountains, and I have prepared the Interceptor well with the new Heidenau K60 Scout tires. I want to take a bit more of a relaxed approach, and the reason for that is, if you now see this video, I am now on the road basically, as I will now basically release the videos as soon as I can and will just edit on the road. So I don't yet know completely how I will do it, if I will do 3 videos a week or a video every 2 days, as I kind of have the problem with the 7 days not being a really like good number to part. And first of all, we will make our way today to East Germany through the Harz National Park, and our general goal for the next 2 to 3 days is making it to the Czech Republic. So let's go.
There's no lines on a gravel road, riding where nobody goes, and I'm addicted to his leather and smoke. Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl, like some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin boots, gold swaying like a noose, and I'll be clinging to the back of this Indian bike. He is my nicotine, I'm his desert queen. Worn out bandana tied around my neck. Call it Bonnie and Clyde, a modern day ride or die. And I'm convicted, 25 to life. Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl, and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me
So we made it to Bad Harzburg, which is the last town before the Harz National Park. And until now, I have to say, it's colder than I expected. Like it's quite chilly. Like we have 13 degrees today, which is not that nice, but yeah, like also there's not a lot of sun in the sky. It always looks like it's about to rain. I hope that's not going to happen. Our goal is now to make it into East Germany. We're really close already. It's about 20 kilometers left, and our goal there is to make it to the Kyffhäuser Memorial. Ooh, what a beautiful waterfall is that! Wow, this looks gorgeous. Really, what an incredibly beautiful waterfall. Wow. Also with all the moss on it. Oh, the landscape here is so beautiful, and it's so nice after all the riding on the highway to have some proper curves here. The road is quite bumpy though, and a bit moist as it slightly has been dripping a little bit. But also the new Heidenau K60 Scout do very well. Whee! It's so great to be back on the road. The landscape here is just beautiful. It's so nice. Also, it's nice that everything has already turned green, even though the temperatures are still quite wintry. What a nice road to just ride on. And also, it is too shitty weather for other motorbike riders, so we really have this all to ourselves. But I still hope that the weather will improve tomorrow. We should also be by now in East Germany, in the old DDR, either in Thüringen or Sachsen-Anhalt. We're quite close to both, so I don't exactly know right now. We've been driving along this little river that we're always crossing quite regularly, and also here in the Harz National Park you really commonly have those very cute little German villages with all like the little Fachwerkbau houses, like also like over there. It's pretty cool. Sometimes feel like the Harz National Park is a bit of a forgotten gem here in Germany, as it is actually quite beautiful, quite nice. So now, almost at the Kyffhausen Memorial. You can already see it over there between the trees. So here we go. Oh, whew, I'm cold. Then let's park over here. You can already see up there the memorial. So let's go and have a look at it. Guten Tag. Einmal das normale Ticket, ja. So we're now here at the Kyffhausen Memorial behind me, and this was built for Kaiser Wilhelm I from Preußen, or let me check. And this was built for Kaiser Wilhelm I von Hohenzollern, and it is based on the Barbarossa tale. And after his death in 1888, to honor him, they built 300 of these all over Germany. 43 are still standing after Germany has been bombed in the Second World War, and one of them is here. And another really famous one is in Porta Westfalica, where we already had a look at on our way to Morocco. And what an incredible sight, especially on this enormous mountain here.
You say I should journal every day, but I don't. You say if I write things down, then I'll know myself better, but I probably won't. I know that there is something I should do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how.
So we now got going again at the Kaiser Memorial, and we're now making our way to Erfurt. Why are we going to Erfurt? Because my plan is, as this is the first day on the trip and I'm trying the new editing schedule and need to have a video out by tomorrow, I will get a cheap motel or a cheap Airbnb, whatever I can find, edit my video, release it tomorrow, and then it's 2 days until Sunday, and with 2 days I can figure out how I can edit while camping, and then the next 2 days I go camping. So that's the plan. On our way to Erfurt, we're still being spoiled with some amazing curves. I earlier met a guy on a bicycle, and he said that the night will be very cold and rainy, and rainy is also confirmed by my weather report. And with it being 11 degrees right now, I think it's the right call. Also because it's no good if I get sick on my first day of the trip, only to then be sick when the weather is actually good, you know?
Just baby, tell me what I'm supposed to do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen. I promise I'll listen.
So, I now arrived in my little Airbnb. It's nice that it also has a kitchen, so I can cook for myself and save some money on food. Yeah, it's a nice environment to work in. It was also quite cheap. I don't yet know if I should recommend Airbnb, because on the surface it's all very, very nice and you will get good stuff very cheap. Problem is, this is already slowly getting more expensive, and no hotel could ever compete with this. And I feel like it's a similar situation to Uber, that it basically will stay this cheap until all the hotels and hostels are dead, and then will become super expensive. But for now, for me getting some work done and getting my video out till tomorrow, it's all good. As I'm currently covering up my bike, there's one thing I still want to ask you guys. If you live in Austria, the Czech Republic, or then in the Balkan countries, I would love to review some more motorbikes. If you have a bike that you would like me to review, feel free to write me an email. It helps a lot with making content for this channel possible. Thank you, and see you in the next one.